Hey guys, in this video we're going to review Celawin.com, a website that claims to offer a free $1,500 bonus from MrBeast just for entering a promo code. But is it actually legit, or is it just another online scam? Let's break it down. Celawin.com presents itself as a decentralized crypto gaming platform, enticing users with promises of huge sign-up bonuses and cryptocurrency, ranging up to $10,000 by using promotional codes and flashy claims of celebrity backing, including endorsements from MrBeast, Elon Musk, or Bill Gates. Once users register and input the promo code, the site displays a fake balance and allows them to play games like slots and Crash. However, when attempting to withdraw winnings, users are informed that they must first verify their account by making an additional deposit, typically between $100 to $500. This tactic is a classic scam maneuver. After the deposit is made, Celawin.com either demands further payments or ceases communication altogether. Numerous users have reported being unable to withdraw any funds even after complying with all the site's requirements. So, is Celawin.com legit or a scam? Celawin.com is a scam. It employs deceptive practices, including fake celebrity endorsements and false promises of substantial bonuses, to lure users into depositing money that they will never recover. Always be cautious of online platforms that promise large rewards for minimal effort, especially when they require upfront payments. Verify the legitimacy of such offers through official channels and be wary of sites that lack transparency or have numerous red flags. Stay safe online and thanks for watching.